the fulcrum is going to be in between the medial and lateral malleolus. The medial and lateral malleolus. The proximal arm is going to be aligned with the medial portion of the lower leg, and you're going to have your distal arm towards the midline of the calcaneus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do inversion first. So inversion, normally it would be about 5 degrees. And with this motion, I'm going to be doing this passively. Again. Okay. So the normal is 5 degrees. I got about 4 degrees. So then the next measurement I'm going to do is the subtalar eversion. And the normal for subtalar eversion should be about 5 to 12 degrees. Again, I'm using the same landmarks and fulcrum in between the malleolus. Proximal arm is going to be aligned at the middle of the lower leg, and then you're going to have your distal arm in the middle of the calcaneus. I'm just going to do that one more time. So I have it was about 7 degrees, so that should be fine since normal is between 5 to 12. And the next thing I'm going to do is the transverse tarsal inversion and eversion. So I'm going to have you sit up. And transverse tarsal inversion and eversion. My landmarks, the fulcrum is going to be on the anterior aspect in between the medial and lateral malleolus. The proximal arm is going to be aligned with the tibia, the midline of the tibia, and the distal arm is going to be aligned at the midline of the second metatarsal. So I'm going to do this passively. So first I'm going to start off with inversion. So I got about 14 degrees, and there's no normal specified values for this measurement. So it's 14 degrees inversion. Let me see how much I get for eversion. So I got about 24 degrees for eversion. And then the next measurement I believe that we're going to do is the next measurement we're going to do is the MTP joint flexion and extension. With this measurement, we're going to be using the small small goniometer, which I don't have. So the landmarks for the goniometer, the fulcrum is going to be at the MTP joint. The stationary arm is going to be along the lateral aspect of the metatarsal, and the moving arm is going to be along the lateral aspect of the phalanx, and then I'm just going to move the toes into flexion and extension. And for flexion, I believe it's about 30 to 45 degrees, and 70 to 90 degrees for extension. Those would be the normal values. 70 to 80 degrees. So then the next measurement we're going to be doing is dorsiflexion on the pterocrural joint. So I'm going to have my mom in the same position again. The landmarks for the goniometer is going to be the lateral malleolus at the fulcrum. The stationary arm is going to be aligned at the along with the fibula, the lateral aspect, and the moving arm is going to be aligned parallel to the fifth metatarsal. So I'm going to have mom do is I'm just going to have this neutral. Okay. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you push. We're going to plan a flexion, so what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you push your foot down as if you're doing a gas pedal motion, so go ahead. And is that as far as you can go? So for this measurement, it got about 28 degrees, which is a little bit less than normal, which is 45, 55 degrees. I'll try that one more time. Okay, and I'm going to have you do the same motion again. As far as you can go. So I got about 30 degrees. So then, so that I will have to check on that. So the next thing we're going to do is dorsiflexion, which is 15 to 20 degrees. So my landmarks are going to be in the same areas, the lateral malleolus, parallel to the fifth metatarsal, and along the lateral portion of the fibula. Neutral, and what I'm going to have you do is I'm just going to have you point, move your foot so that way your toes are pointing up towards the ceiling. Let's see, I can do it again. Can you go back to normal, neutral? Okay, can you do it one more time? 15 to 20 degrees. And with this one, I got about 18 degrees. So it should be okay. So the next one we're going to do is subtalar inversion. Oh, not subtalar. The tarsal inversion and eversion. So it's going to be similar to the previous inversion and eversion measurements we did, but this time I'm going to have my mom do the motions. So the landmarks, the fulcrum is going to be between the malleolus. The stationary arm is going to be aligned at the tibia, midline of the tibia, and distal arm is going to be aligned along the midline, second metatarsal. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you rotate your foot so that way the bottom of your foot faces towards the middle and your big toe is facing towards the ceiling. If you can do that later. Okay, you can do that now. So I got 20 degrees for this one. Normal is about 30 to 45 degrees. So let me try this one more time. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to do the same motion again. Is that as far as you can go? Still getting 20 degrees for that one. And then the next one, the last one we're going to do is the same thing but eversion. So again, the landmarks are going to be the same between the malleolus, the tibia, and midline of the second metatarsal. So I'm going to have you go have your bottom of your foot face that way. Yep. And is that as far as you can go? Okay, so I got about 18 degrees